Create a gradient map layer. Change the blending mode to soft light. And lower the opacity to 40%. Select the gradient. Type noise. Roughness 10%. Click on Randomize until you find a color combination that looks good on your photo. I will now show you how to remove the colors from certain parts of your photo. Select the mask of the gradient map layer. Select the brush tool. And make the foreground color black. You can now brush over the areas where you want to remove the colors, like the skin. And that's how you color grade your photo.